Governments and community religious bodies have also taken on the fight. As of September 2020, 155 countries have passed laws against domestic violence. 140 countries passed laws against sexual harassment in the workplace. But effective implementation and allocation of resources required to end gender-based violence and for gender-based violence to be made histories have fallen short. In this area, change is desperately needed, including in our country. We have learned about the importance of targeted interventions in the past 25 years, and I've made the example of education and health, where some change were experienced because the interventions were targeted. We stopped everything when the world faced the corona pandemic. Gender equality is a public good, not a project for NGOs who have shouldered much of the responsibility in many countries. It affects more than half of humanity. It has an intergenerational impact. Gender equality determines the level of development as well as the type of development any country will undergo. And therefore, it cannot be achieved without significant involvement of government. The progress that we have seen happen as a result of the Beijing Declaration in many countries has been influenced by this combination of government determination and activism of citizens. The greatest progress took place in countries where women also have been able to work collaboratively with government. And we have seen governments, therefore, investing significantly in the implementation of the Beijing platform.